As the era of intelligentization emerges, technology defines a new era of production. With the overall prosperity of the industrial robot market, China's industrial robot market is on the rise. Second-hand robots, characterized by a combination of quality and low cost, are experiencing rapid growth in demand, presenting vast prospects in the trading market. Dongguan Fancheng Robot Technology Co., Limited, is a comprehensive service provider of industrial robots integrating trade and services. We always adhere to high standards and strict requirements as our production philosophy, specializing in the sales, recycling, and maintenance services of second-hand industrial robots and integrated equipment. Our main types of robots include recycling and sales of industrial robot parts, as well as technical development, services, and consultations for industrial robot remanufacturing, along with research, production, sales, and technical services for surrounding equipment. Over the years, we have accumulated a wealth of experienced technical personnel, a high-quality management team, advanced equipment, and a complete quality assurance system. We have developed a complete industrial chain from robot recycling, remanufacturing, replacement, leasing, training to integration. Our large inventory and wide application cover over 10 well-known foreign brands such as FANUC, ABB, Yaskawa, KUKA, EPSON, YAMAHA, DENSO, and MITSUBISHI, in fields including automotive and parts, electronics and 3C manufacturing, food and pharmaceuticals, rubber and plastics, wood products, forging and casting, and metal processing. Since its establishment, Fancy Robot has strived for excellence in every step of the production process, from disassembly, cleaning, maintenance, debugging, testing, packaging, to warehousing, with stable management systems and market development, technical research, quality control, maintenance, and customer training. We seamlessly connect manufacturing processes to provide customers with professional robot solutions. Fancy Robot provides multi-channel after-sales support, with a 7x24-hour customer service hotline for rapid response and simplified service, abundant spare parts inventory, quick analysis of fault causes based on specific robot situations, and tailor-made solutions to achieve the best repair results at the lowest cost. Since our establishment, our vision has been to provide cost-effective industrial robots for small and medium-sized enterprises in China and help them overcome obstacles such as high barriers to automation, lack of operational knowledge, and overall solution utilization. According to different customer needs, we provide robot leasing and installment payment services to alleviate customers' financial pressure, enabling more customers to use industrial robots and achieve mutually beneficial and win-win industrialization, actively promoting the green development of the robot industry and becoming the center of robot remanufacturing in China.